So we'll see how to execute program 8 in DevOps. First, we need to create a Maven project. For that, we need to use the command mvn. I'll type here. So here we have typed the command to generate MVN. So the minor changes, my error was here, instead of MVN hyphen, I had typed MVN dot archetype dot quick start, which is actually MVN. I mean Maven hyphen archetype hyphen quick start. So this is the correct command. After this, we need to trigger the Jenkins file. Before that, we'll go to this particular folder which has been created here, which is my Maven. So I'll type cd my Maven, enter. So now get init, so initialized. I mean, next is get add, then get hyphen m new new commit. Okay, now I have committed this thing. So now we'll move to another this one, and I'll go just navigate to the Jenkins folder before triggering, which is required to trigger the Jenkins. Then I'll type Java hyphen jar Jenkins.war, then again followed by hyphen hyphen http port 8081. So this thing starts triggering, and we need to go to the browser and go here for http, and we need to get to the console of Jenkins, which is this one, and yeah, localhost. We have this admin credentials. We need to sign in. After that, create a new item. Now the item will be hello Maven CI. Okay. Then you click on freestyle project and hit enter. After that, we need to do some of the configurations, that is discard old builds, and the source code management will be git. And here we need to get a git repository. For that, I need to log into the git. So I'm already logged in. For now, I need to create a new repository. I'll just give it dummy dev one. Okay, let's create this. So now we need to go to that particular folder here in home, which has my maven. So here we have got that pom.xml file, which is required for, we need to include in this git repository. I'll select this entirely after going to this particular folder of mine. As you can see, this is the my maven thing. I mean, the name of the folder I have given here, which is my maven. I'll just copy this and drag and drop this here. I click on upload an existing file, go to this, select all, and drag and drop here. Then commit changes. Once we are done with this, we need this HTTP link of repo. Copy this and go to this tab and paste the link or the repository URL here in this tab section. And no need to give any credentials. Here another thing we need to change is, instead of branch instead of master and branch specify, we need to give main, and poll scm is required. Now let's click on build steps. Okay, now invoke top level maven targets, and I type clean package. Then again click on add build step. I'll click execute shell. For that, we have the command here, which is Ansible playbook hyphen I, Ansible playbook hyphen I. Then another two important files that we need is the console for the deployment YML file and host.inn. The host.inn has this script written here for giving the traceback to the local, and also the deploy.yml file has this thing. So one of the important changes that we need to make while doing this experiment in cement exam is that instead of my username of the computer, that is here is my name, you need to type the administrative or administrator, which shows somewhere here, somewhere here. This the before the at the rate symbol, that thing we need to type in place of Shreyas in deploy.yml. And same thing goes with scr source also. We need to replace this my username with that one what you wrote here, and same as here also. And another important thing to consider is that hello maven hyphen ci is is the name of the freestyle project that we are creating here in the Jenkins GUI tab. So this and this one should match. Rest all could be left intact. So we'll be saving this, and the execute shell command includes the path to this one, my deploy.yml and host.ini, that is the configuration files here. So since this two configuration files are available on our home directory here in deploy.yml and host.ini, the path to this two files will be slash home slash my username and hosts.ini, followed by again home slash username slash deploy.yml. After that, we need to click on add post build actions and archive the artifacts. This is the option we need to choose, and target slash star dot jar. I guess this is the correct command. Yeah, this is the correct command here. Okay, after this, there is nothing else to worry about. You can just go ahead and save this configuration files and click on build now. So the error here is here it says hello Mavan, which is the previous name of the folder while I'm doing did the experiment cause this issues. So now another thing we need to consider is my mavan.jar goes here, and again my mavan dot is this is the folder which we created locally, which is here when we were creating the maven. Okay, so we can save this and run this again, and hosts is also saved, I guess. We'll go here again, click on this and build. Yeah, okay, now we got our output. So this much, if we got the archiving artifacts and finished success on our console, we're done with our eight experiment.